Hello, my dear self friends and teacher. This is Nisa. Today I am telling about a story. What happened with a pilot? Once upon a time, there was a pilot named Jack who lived in America. He visited many countries every day. One day, a tragedy happened with him. When he was landing the plane from 3,000 feet higher, his plane broke. All the passengers were screaming. First, he fell because he was sitting front of the plane. His eyelashes were flipping off. Breathing was difficult. About that, he had heard a lot. Now he was facing it. Death truly looked deadly. From 3,000 feet, he was crashing towards death like a lover hugging his beloved after tormenting separation. His fate was good. He fell on the snow. Even his passengers fell on the snow. Always feel and remember death, because death will come any time or any situation.